Ish. Is that your deputy traveling with you?
No, man, that's just Jonah. He's our local prophet from back home. Mama, the wind is really scary.
It'll be alright. It's just a little dust storm.
I'm a bit concerned myself. We could turn over if this keeps up.
Marshall, you're scaring my children.
Sorry, man. Just saying the facts. Whoa, looks like you got a problem.
Folks, we got a windstorm unlike I've ever seen before, and you got a problem with Almighty. You gotta do something and fast.
Well, somebody on this stagecoach must have made the gods awful mad, and we're gonna need to figure out who. Although I think I already know.
Okay, folks, here's what we're gonna do. I got some facts. I'm gonna roll them. And if your number comes up, we're gonna know that you're the problem. Pick a number.
Oh, dear me. I don't think.
Lady, just give me numbers for you and your kids there. Nate, you got nothing to worry about. Hurry up and give me a number.
Well, 2, 8, and 14.
Lady, I only got 2 guys. 14 won't work. Hurry up and give me another number.
Oh, let's just get this over with. I'll take 6, but it doesn't really matter. Whatever number I give you, that's the number you're gonna roll.
Well, I'll be, feller. Looks like you're right. It's a 6, but it looks like you already knew that.
Well, God told me to go one way, and I headed the other. He's causing this big storm.
Why'd you run away from your gods and tease the God that made the dirt and the wind that's blowing it around?
And now that we know that you're the problem, what are we gonna do with it?
Just throw me out here and the storm will stop.
All right, fella, out we go.
Are you sure we gotta do this?
Yep, he's right. I'm going. Bye, Marshall. It's been nice knowing you.